Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Anok here. I am back with another video. Today is going to be, my video is going to be about try and hold inexpensive eyelash. I don't know, I been trying to get my perfect eyelash for my eyes, but I couldn't get one trying everything, but I couldn't get. So now I want to try. I want to try out eyelashes that is perfect with my eyelashes. So please, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, and enjoy the family. And turn the bell notification on so you will be notified every time I upload my new video. And you can also follow me up in social media at Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, everything, and Snapchat also. So let's get into that video. First, we have I have five different eyelashes here. So I want to try them on. Some of them, I have them for a long time. I haven't used them, so I have this one today. I'm going to try them all of it, and we will see which one is matched with my eyes. And then you guys, I want you to pick me which one is perfect with my eyes, and leave the comment down below. So and tell me which one is matched with my eyes. Okay, thank you. First, I will start with the 3D weightless volume from Color. Is 3D. It's so I will go try this one on, and I will come. This one is essential verily hair, as you know that. So I will try them on off the camera, and I will be back. Okay, so this one is my first eyelash look. Is the one I wear always. Tell me guys, I like butterfly eyelashes. How it look with my eyes. This is my first eyelash. It's so look pretty and very elegant. I like it the way it's coming up like this one. Yeah. So I love it. This is from 3D Color Fox Milk. Is a Fox Milk. So I love it. It's amazing. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next eyelash. Is from Color also. Is from Weightless volume. Curly is Fox Ming, also 3D, and it was medium. This one is very long, and also this one is medium, as you can see now. Here it's not that long. It's medium weight, so it's not very long. So I will go try them, put them on, and I will be back. Guys, this is my second eyelash. Tell me, it look like, I feel like I like it, but it's not long and it's not short, so it's medium. It look like, I feel like like it match with my eyes, and I feel like I like it, but I don't. I kind of like the longer one, the one before. So yeah. Oh yeah, it's pretty good though, but yeah, I think I like the longer one, and it looked like someone is not kind of, I'm not wearing the eyelash, but it looked natural, and so yeah. It look like this one now. So I like this one. And the longer one is from too far, it look like natural, and when I come near the camera close to, it look like natural. Good. Okay, let's go to the next, to the third one. The third one is Essential Verily Hair. Flash Lashes is from Fox CLILS. Okay, this one I haven't wear it yet before, so I'm going to try this one for now, and then I'm gonna try the second one, the number 4 one. Let's move into the number 3 or 4, I don't know. Number 4 eyelash. Tell me, guys, what do you think about number 4? It also medium, it's not that long, it's not butterfly eyelashes. I feel like it doesn't match with my eyes, and yeah, it look also natural. I like puffy eyelash. It look natural. Yeah, and I don't like it, this one. It doesn't look good in my eyes. It look good if you are going to somewhere around, not party or somewhere. You can wear it like around the house. You can wear this one to chill around with it. So yeah, I don't like it. It just look too short, too very look like very small, and it's not that long. Okay, let's get the number 5 one. So I will take this one off, and let's go to the 5 one. The number 5 one is from Essential Verily Hair also. Is a puffy eyelash, as you can see. I wear it before, 1 time or 2 times. It's not that I use it 2 times and then set, because I like the longer one. But this one also is good. I like it, but is the last one is I will show you later on which one I like the most. Okay, this is number 4 eyelash. This one I love it. It's so fabulous, fantastic. I love it. It's the one I wear the most. The one I usually wear. I like butterfly eyelash. Tell me, guys, how it look now. I'm feeling so good with this one. I like it. It looks so puffy, and it matches with my eyes also. My eyeball. My eye look like is big. My eyeball look like kind of big. So I prefer to wear this one, the puffy one. It looks so good with it. Okay, this one is from Essential Verily Hair. Is my second number 2, the one I wear it most. Okay, let's move to on. Last, it's not at least. This one is my favorite number, the third one that I like the most. I always wear it. It's my second. I bought it in Christmas time, before Christmas, and I wear it in last year. many times, and yeah, so it's still here. I just clean it sometime and I wear it. It's really nice. I love this one. It's very puffy. It's butterfly one. You can look at it like this one. Last but not at least is my most special one that I wear. So yeah, this is butterfly eyelash. I like it most. Is the one I like it. Usually wear it. So yeah, it look puffy and it make your eyes, make your eyeball a little bit smaller, and you look very, very, very elegant. I like dramatic eyelashes. So yeah, because my eyeball is big, so I prefer to wear this one the most. It's my favorite one. It looks so good. I love it. I love it. I'm so obsessed with it. Do you see how it look now? How it feel? It feels so good. I love it. This one is my favorite one. Okay guys, I will show you what I usually most. This one is the second one, and I will go to put on my first eyelash is the what I like most. I will go put it on and I will be back. And I think this one is my last one. They call Kyla Jessie eyelash. This one is from TJ Maxx. They call a 3D weightless volume and curly. So it's a curly now, as you can see. Is the most uh, fantastic eyelash. I love it always. I usually wear them. So yeah, if you want it, you can grab it. They call Jessica here, and here is the box. If you want it, you can grab it. Oh, here, the camera here is the most. I just got it from TJ Maxx, and I just say I will grab it and I will add it to my collection. So yeah, this is my favorite one. I'm so obsessed with that. Is the one that I always wear it in my always out. So yeah, is my favorite and I'm so obsessed with it. I go to a store and I can't find the same eyelash. So yeah, I don't know. And I went to Sephora also. I couldn't find the same thing. I just got randomly at the store and I grabbed it, and I couldn't imagine that I will find butterfly eyelash. And it was when I started my YouTube channel, it wasn't that easy to get something that is my with my eyes. So I find it suddenly, and I grabbed this one. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please click the thumb up and share and like and leave everything down in the comment, and I will if I got time, I will do try on whole eyelashes, the same thing also, and I will do more video about this one. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and social media, and yeah, in Snapchat, TikTok also. I will put on there, and you have to follow me, and please don't forget to subscribe. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for my next video on Friday. Thank you.